Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Disney Plus. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Disney Plus and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. In the end you can enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.